Something powerful is happening in Africa. From the heart of the Sahel, a new alliance has emerged, bold, defiant, and determined to reclaim the destiny of its people. This is the story of the AES, the Alliance of Sahel States, and how it rewrites the African narrative. Now, let's begin by understanding what the AES is. The AES, Alliance des États du Sahel, is a regional bloc formed by Mali, Burkina Faso, and Niger. Born in 2023, it marks a historic shift from external dependency and regional solidarity and sovereignty. Now, let's have a look at what the AES has achieved so far. 1. Military cooperation. Joint defense strategies to combat terrorism. Strong rejection of foreign military bases seen as ineffective. Now, let's have a look at the political unity. Withdrawal from ECOWAS in a bold move toward self-determination. Shared anti-imperialist vision gaining continental support. Let's now talk of the future. A common currency, shared economic zone, and energy collaboration. This union is a real model for self-governance, security, and cultural pride. If successful, the AES could become a blueprint for the African independence, a call to action for the rest of the continent. In a world that often wrote off the Sahel, people stood tall. The Alliance of Sahel States is not just about politics, it's about freedom, dignity, and ownership of destiny. Africa is rising, and it starts from the Sahel. What do you think of this alliance? Please make sure you write in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you to the next episode. Ciao!